Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Halimah and I'm from B class and course speaking for formal setting. And today I will presentation my proposal. Okay, my title of research my proposal is Reading Habit of Junior Student. uh, Aspect survey reading habits of junior high school 1 Katingan Kuala, Pegatan Village, Katingan Kuala District, and Katingan Regency. And the next, duration for causing the topic. Because in life in elementary school, in their daily lives, there are so many habits of the student, especially regarding reading habits that are automatical carved out both by student resumes the books. The reason for causing the subject to the study. The object of this research is the student of junior high school 1 Katingan Kuala, class 8 to class 9. The sample thank you use a sample thank you to determine respondent to fill in a total sample questionnaire and determine the informant interview, which are primary data and secondary data in the form of direct observation that occur in the field interview and literature study. Research question. What is the encouragement of Katingan Kuala Middle School student in reading habits, and what are the results of the student after reading habits? And research objective. This study discussed the reading habits of Katingan Kuala Junior High School 1 student from 12 aspects: how, Allen and Philip say the reading process in the developing process. At the beginning, read the letter recognition symbol, word recognition that is in the discourse, from reading by letter, by word, by sentence, then followed by reading by paragraph and short essay. And significance of the study. Okay. Point A, theoretical benefit. Theoretical, the benefit of this research to increase knowledge, especially in the phase of the study interest in reading. And point B, practical benefit for students. Can motivation the importance of reading in order to increase knowledge and can take advantage of school service in the form of library, so that it is expected to be with utilizing the library can foster interest in reading. Limitation. The scope and limit of this study center of student reading habits. And research design. Most students are less interested because they prefer themselves and the teacher, so students are not interested in reading interest. The reason for choosing the design. The choice of this method is because the describe method aims to describe and explain the state of interest in reading. Describe method is the most basic research aimed at describing the phoneme that exist, both natural phoneme or human invention. This activity examines the forms, activity, characteristic, change, relationship, similarity, and difference in other phonemes and able to get valid data. Data collection procedure. 1. Observation, and 2. Depth interview, and the last documentation. Research instrument. In general, research instrument can categorize as hardware or hard instrument and software or soft instrument. There is also hardware or hard instrument, including components of violet notice or pen and books, and so on at the time, including software or soft instrument in Indonesia. Qualitative research can be mentioned such as interview guideline and observation guideline. And the last, data analysis procedure. First, data reduction. Second, presentation of data. And third, verification or conclusion. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I presentation my proposal, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.